Today, I'm trying to clone the most powerful AI automation platform landing page called n8n. And I'm trying to do this using one AI tool and only one prompt.
Real quick, before we start, let me even tell you what is n8n. N8n is an AI automation platform that allows you to build AI agent and AI automation for businesses to save them time and money. So let's jump into our AI tool and try to clone the landing page of this powerful AI automation platform. And by the way, when I said we are trying to clone it, I don't mean we will clone it perfectly, but we'll just test how these AI models are good at building landing pages. And the tool we will be using is Gemini AI. So we will try to write the prompt. That means we'll describe what we want the AI to build for us. We'll start giving the AI its role that is act as a web designer. And the beauty about Gemini is that I can put the link of the website I want to clone. That is n8n. Since it's popular, let's click build. And Gemini AI will start building landing page faster than ever. As it is running quickly, and also see the code. You can edit it. As you see, just click the code. You can edit the code if you know how the code runs. Yes, and I think it is almost done because I speed it. But actually, if you use it, it will take around like 2 minutes. It's not that much time. Yes, wonderful. It is done. Let me put it on a full screen. Just clone the n8n landing page. Of course, it's not that exactly, but you know, the AI model is a little bit good than before. MashaAllah. Let me scroll down to show you how the AI built it. It's amazing. Let me try to compare it with that n8n actually landing page.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.